Hello everyone and welcome to this EasyEDA tutorial. When working on a PCB, sometimes we run into an issue where certain objects on the canvas can't be selected, like wires or some components. Most of the time, this happens because the right boxes in the filter panel are not checked. The fix is simple. Just enable the corresponding options in the filter and you will be able to select them normally. Here's a little tip as well. When you select a pad, you can press the tab key to quickly switch to its parent component, really handy. One more thing to keep in mind, in the status bar, make sure that both locked and unlocked are checked. Otherwise, some objects still won't be selectable. To quickly summarize, if you can't select an object, first check the filter, then confirm the lock settings, and don't forget the tab key to check. It can really boost your workflow efficiency.